exercises. What we'll notice here was 6 points of contact. Okay, we talk about 6 points of contact in our milestones approach. Both hands, both kneecaps, both feet. Why is that significant? Well, pressure feedback. We're going to talk a lot about this as we get into week one's material. You'll see that we are looking for similarities in the musculoskeletal system, at least as it pertains to catalog, diagnosing, treating the system, comparative to the other systems of the body, right? I think it's interesting that we're saying musculoskeletal system, but then when we actually catalog, diagnose, and treat it, we are basically saying musculoskeletal parts. So we want to take a systems approach here. You'll see that we do that with the way that we've sort of cataloged, diagnosed, observed the musculoskeletal system. But what's interesting is that you'll see other systems of the body all integrated. I say cardiovascular. You picture integrated system. I say digestive. I say respiratory. I say any other system. You get to see the whole, you look at the whole system. You don't see it as parts anymore. You don't speak to me or think of it in isolated planes, isolated ranges, isolated parts, right? You see the integration. You also see an inherent cycle that it reps out thousands of times a day. I could say it's about respiratory, digestive, cardiovascular. You're probably picturing the blood pumping through the cardiovascular in this cycle, right? Many, many, many times a day, many, many times stretched out over a lifetime. So we've used that outlook, that high-level macro overview of the other systems of the body and said, well, what's the musculoskeletal's version of that? And I think